Myself, Keerthi. I am working as assistant professor in CSC department at MLRITM, Institute of Technology and Science. Today, I am going to discuss the topic operators in C language. What is an operator? First, we will discuss about the operator. An operator is a symbol which helps the user to give instructions to the computer to do certain mathematical or logical manipulations. If we want to do any mathematical or calculations, we will use what? Operators. And operators are used in C language to operate on data and variables. C has a rich set of operators which can be classified as follows. First one is arithmetic operators. Second one is what? Relational operators. Third one is what? Logical operators. Fourth one is what? Assignment operators. Fifth one is what? Increment or decrement operators. Next one, conditional operators. Next one, bitwise operators. Next one, special operators. These are the 8 operators we will use in C language. Now we will discuss each and every one in briefly. Okay. First operator is what? Arithmetic operators. All the basic arithmetic operations can be performed by using arithmetic operators. All the operators have at most same meaning in other languages. Both unary and binary operations are available in C language. Unary operator means what? We will use only one operand. Binary operator means what? We will use 2 operands and one operator. Unary operators operates on a single operand. Therefore, the number 5 which operand by unary minus, we have written the value minus 5. The operators in arithmetic operators are plus, minus, multiplication, division and modular division. Plus is what? Addition. It acts as unary plus. When one operand, then it is act as what? Unary plus. Minus means what? Subtraction or unary minus. We will have only one operand, then it is called what? Unary minus. Multiplication. Asterisk is what? Multiplication. Slash is what? Division. Modular division. What is the difference between the division and modular division? Division gives the coefficient and modular division gives the remainder. Arithmetic operators. Example: plus, minus, multiplication, division and modular division. We will take one example and we will see how these calculations are. Okay. Suppose if we have taken A equal to 15 and B equal to 2, then it is called what? C equal to A plus B. A plus B means what? 15 plus 2. The result will be 17. We are doing addition. A minus B means what? 15 minus 2. Okay, we'll get 13. A into B. A into B means what? 15 into 2, we will get what? 30. A by B. A by B means what? 15 division by 2. 2 sevens are 14. Okay. 1 is what? Remainder. This is what? Coefficient. When we will use division, we will get the answer as 7. When we will do modular division, we will get what? Remainder. That is the difference between the division and modular division in arithmetic operators. Now coming to another operator. Here, how this example is written in program. First, we have to take the syntaxes. When we are writing in any programming language, we will start from hash include stdio.h, then main function, and we will declare the variables and we will read the variables and we will do addition, multiplication, subtraction, division and modular division, and we will print the result. This is how the program we will write by using the arithmetic operators. Now coming to Relational operators. Relational operators are used in C language to compare the relation between the two variables. Often it is required to compare the relation between the operands and bring out the decision and program accordingly. Here when we will use the relational operator, the result will be either 1 or 0. 1 means what? True, and 0 means what? False. This is when the relational operators comes into picture. Some of the relational operators we will use in C language is less than or equal to, greater than or equal to, double equal to, and not equal to. Here we can use either integers, comparison between the either integer values or floating value, either floating values, or either integer or float value we can compare. Here we are showing some examples. 6.5 is less than or equal to 25. Minus 65 is greater than 0. Here we can use expression, arithmetic expression. This is also a valid relational expression. When we will use this relational operators between the two operands, then it is called as relational expression, which results either true or false. By using relational expression, some example we are taking. Now in this example, a equal to 14 and b equal to 10. How we will compare these two operands? A less than b, 16 less than 10. If this condition is true, then we will get the result value is either 1 or 0. Here 16 is less than 10. This is what? False condition. Then we will get the output 0. A less than or equal to b. 16 less than or equal to 10. Is this condition true? No. Then we will get what? 0. A greater than b. 16 greater than 10. This condition is true, and we will get 1 as the output. A greater than or equal to b. 16 greater than or equal to 10 means what? This condition is true. Why? Because 16 is greater than 10. Then we will get the result as 1. A double equal to 0. A double equal to 0 means what? We'll compare the two operands are equal or not. 16 is not equal to 10. So this condition is false, and we will get the output as 0. C equal A not equal to B. Yes, 16 is not equal to 10. Then we will get what? True. C equal to 1. Like this, the relational operators are used between the two operands to compare the two values which is greater or less or equal to. Now, if we want to write this in a C programming language, we will write like this. First, we will use the hash include stdio.h, the main function, and variables we are declaring, and we are from user the values are reading, and we are writing the relational expressions. According to this relational expression, we are printing the values of C. Either 1 or 0 is the output. Now coming to logical expressions, logical operators. Logical operators we have in C language three operators, that are logical and, logical or, logical not. How we will write logical and, logical or, logical not? Here the truth table we will use. If both the why we will use the logical operators, where we will use, if we want to check the two relational operators are true, then we will use what? Logical operators in between them. If both are true, if both are false, then the output is 0. Non-zeros, then 0. Okay, 1 true when one non-zero, then false. Then 1 true, 1 non-zero, then false. If we have If both are true, then the result is what? True. Logical and if both the expressions are true, then we'll call as what? True condition. A greater than B. This is what? One relational expression. A equal to x equal to 10. This is what? One relational expression. When comparing between the two relational expressions, we will use what? Logical expression. Okay, for this also we will get either true or false as the output. Logical or. Coming to logical or. Logical or, if only one the condition is true, then the result is what? True. In logical and, if both the conditions are true, then the output will be true, otherwise the result is false. In logical or, if both the conditions are true, then the result is true, and if either one condition is true, then the result is what? True. If both are false only, then the output is false. Logical not. Logical not means what? If in this example x greater than or equal to y, if this condition is true, then we will get the output false. If the condition is false, then we will get the true. Okay, reverse output we will get by using logical not. Now coming to this example, a equal to 14, b equal to 15 and c equal to 13. These variables we are taking. A greater than b, double ampersand, a greater than c. Now coming to a value, how much? 14 greater than b is what? 15. Okay, this is one expression, and we are using what? Logical and. A is what? 14 greater than 13. Okay, here 14 is greater than 15. The condition is what? False. Here 14 greater than 13. The condition is what? True. If either one condition is false, then the result is what? False. So we will get the output c equal to 0. And coming to next statement, a greater than b. 14 greater than 15 or a greater than 14 greater than 15. 14 greater than 13. Okay, 14 greater than 15 means what? The condition is false. Or 14 greater than 13, the condition is true. In our condition, if either one condition is true, then the result is what? True. So we will get what? C equal to 1. This is the program for explaining the relational operators. Same, we are taking a, b, c values, and we are reading a, b values, and we are comparing a ampersand b. Okay, a or b, a not b. Any variable other than 0, that is what? True. If we take the a value 10, then in this expression not equal to 10, this is what? True condition. And not means what? Reverse. It will give what? 0. Okay, this is how the C output will be get. Now coming to assignment operators. In assignment operators, the assignment operator is what? Equal to. Okay, here right hand side always should be the expression, and left hand side should be the variable to store the result of that expression. Okay, here the general syntax for writing the assignment operators: variable operator equal to expression. And this assignment operator is also called as shorthand operators. How we will write the shorthand operator? If both the variables are same, then that is called as we can write as shorthand operator like this. Okay, here is some of the examples for shorthand operators. This is the example program for assignment operators. Here 3 variables we have declared and 2 variables we have read from the user, and we wrote what a plus equal to b. Then this can be also written as a plus b, a equal to a plus b. Here say a equal to a minus b and a into a minus b, a by b, a modular division by b. This is, and we are printing the. Now coming to the important operator, that is what increment and decrement operators. Here the increment and decrement operators, one of the unary operators which are used in the C language. In increment and decrement operators we will use only one operand. Example, taking x as a variable, we can use plus plus or plus x. Okay, here we have two types. First one is what, pre-increment and post-increment. This, when we will write the operator before the operand, then it is called what, pre-increment. When we write the operator after the operand, then it is called post-increment. These are the two types we have in increment and decrement operators. Coming to this is what increment operator. Plus is what increment operator, means what, it is increased by 1. And we have one more operator, that is what decrement operator, that is minus, and this is called what, the one value will be decreased by 1. This is what decrement operator. Here coming to example, m equal to 5. Okay, m equal to 5 and y equal to plus m. Plus m is what? This is what, pre-increment. First the value is incremented by 1 and after that only it is initialized to y. Okay, now the m value will be increased by 1. Actually the m is 5 and now m is 6 and 6 is assigned to y. This is what, pre-increment. When we will write post-increment, m plus plus. M plus plus means what? First m value will assign to y. After that m value will be increased by 1. In memory, for y variable and m variable, there is a memory occupied. Okay, and first m value is what, 5. After when we will write this increment operator, post increment operator, first m value will assign to y. Now y value is 5. After increment, the one m plus plus means what, m equal to m plus 1. M is what, 5 plus 1. Now m is what, 6. Like this, the in memory the values are updated. That is the difference between the pre-increment and post-increment. Pre-increment means what? First the value will be incremented, after that it is initialized to y. When we will write post-increment, the first value is initialized to y, after that the value will be incremented. This is the program, example program for the increment operators and decrement operators. Similarly, same as increment operators, we have post decrement and pre-decrement. This is called what? Pre-decrement. This is called what? Post decrement. Here in memory, A, B, C variables are declared. In A, suppose I am taking 10. In B, suppose I am taking 20. Now we have to update C value. C equal to A plus plus B. A plus plus B means what? First A value will be assigned to C. A value how much? 10. That will be assigned to C and A will be incremented by 10 plus 1 is what? 11. 11 C value how much? 10 will be printed as output. Next, C equal to plus plus A. C equal to plus plus A means what? Plus plus means what? First the value will be incremented by 1 and then the value is initialized to C. In A, how much value is there? 11. 11 is incremented by 12, or that 12 is assigned to C. Now in memory, C value how much? 12. Here it will print the output 12. Okay. Now coming to another statement, C equal to A minus minus. A value how much? 12. 12 is assigned to C. 12 is assigned to C. After that, A value will be decremented by 1. 12 minus 1, the value is 11. In A, we will have 11, and in C, we will have what? 12. Okay. Now, C will be printed. Output is what? 12. Now, C equal to minus minus A. Minus minus A means what? First, the A value will be decremented, 11, and it is initialized to C. A value will be decremented, the value is what? 10, and that is initialized to C. Okay. Now we see value how much? 10. 10 will be the output. Like this, we will get the values of C. Next, conditional or ternary operator. Conditional operator mainly consists of three statements. First, expression 1, question mark, expression 2, colon, expression 3. It is similar like if-else statement. If this expression is true, first this expression is evaluated. If this expression is true, then expression 2 will be evaluated. If expression 1 is false, then expression 3 will be evaluated. Here we are taking one example, A equal to 10 and B equal to 15. Here X equal to A greater than B condition A colon B. Here how it will work means 10 greater than 15. If this condition is true, then A will be executed. If this condition is false, then B will be executed. 10 greater than 15, the condition is false, then B will be executed. B value how much? 15 is the output. This is how the conditional operator we will use in C language. This is how we will write the program by using the conditional operators. Here A, B, C values are declared and A, B values are read by the user, and A greater than B. First we are checking what? A greater than B. If this condition is true, then printf A will be printed. If this condition is false, then B will be printed as the output. Next, bitwise operators. In bitwise operators, some of the bitwise operators we will use are bitwise AND, bitwise OR, bitwise NOT, left shift, and right shift. These are the bitwise operators in C language we will use. This is the truth table we have to follow for writing true or false between the two variables. Two operands are true or condition we will check. Okay, A and B. A value, B value. If both are false, then output is what? False. If one is condition is true, another one is false, then false. One condition is true, another condition is false, then false. If both are true, then true. This is for OR. This is for XOR. This is for NOT. Left shift. Bitwise left shift means what? Left. This is what? Right shift means the bits are moved to the right side. Left shift means what? The bits are moved to the left. Here we will write the example A left shift B. A, suppose A equal to 10. Then how we will use left shift means A left shift 2 means what is the meaning of this? 2 bits we have to shift left side of this A. A is what? 10. 10 is converted into binary form zero, that is what, zeros and ones, and the bits are moved to the left. This is a example program for using the bitwise operators, and we will get the, by using the bitwise operators we will get the either integer values. For this we are printing. Okay. Special operators we will use in C language are comma, ampersand, asterisk, dot, arrow. Ampersand and asterisk is address operator, pointer operators. Ampersand is to tell the address of the variable, and asterisk is what, pointer operator we will use in pointers, and this dot and arrow is called what, member selector operators we will use uh, in structures. Example, comma operator is used as x equal to 10, comma y equal to 5, comma expression. We can take any value. These values are separated by the commas. One more thing is we will use this operator is what, size of, to know the size of the variable. Okay, to know the size of the data type we will use what, size of operators. This is how the special operators used in C programming language. By using one example here, C equal to a comma b, and we use the operator, special operator comma, first a value will be assigned to C. If we use brackets, then this whole thing will be executed. B value will be assigned to C. The most priority symbols are left brackets. First brackets will be executed, after that only comma will be executed. In this case we have operators equal to and comma. First equal to comma has highest priority, then equal to, then first a will be executed and will be assigned to C. Last one is what, size of a is declared as integer, and how many bytes we will occupy in the memory, that will be printed as the output. This is how the special operators are used in C language. Thank you everyone. In next session we will come with another topic. Thank you.